How to solve this problem? Here is the simple way to solve the problem.
Hi guys, today I'm again here with some new thing that I can say for channel art background and YouTube background. Channel art shows as a background on the banner at the top of your YouTube channel like this, and also you can brand it as channel industry or channel identity. Keep in mind that channel art looks different on computer, phone, TV. So let's see how we can make this type of banner absolutely free on internet. You just have to follow me. Just like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. You have to go to the bannersnacks.com. This is the website where you can make banner free of cost, and here you can see many things. For many things you will create banner like Facebook, Instagram, but today I will show you how you can make banner for YouTube channel like this. So just if you don't have account, create an account in this website, and this is absolutely free, and click here make a banner. You will redirect to the banner creator new page where you can create your own banner with the help of this website too. This is free of cost, so you just have to click make a design. After that you will see here this is ad block detected. You have to just pause ad block in this site. After that click OK. Here you can see that YouTube channel cover, just like this. So just click on here. After that you will redirect to this page where you can edit. You can use your predefined templates like this, or you can select your own backgrounds like this. So today I am showing you how you can use predefined templates and edit on it. Just click on the predefined template. So here we just want to edit this, so just remove this. This is the main part where you can click and edit for your channel. Just like my channel name is how to problems like this, and just you can resize this like this, so that it will be fixed size for your channel. And here you can also edit. Simple way to solve the problems. If you can also edit text from here, you can also upload your own photos, and you can select from stock photos, that is free of cost. You can edit button, just click here. You can edit and click on this like of button, likes, download, make it whatever you like. So let me just change the color of this. Just click here and change color from here. and select. You can add accents for clickable, non-clickable. Go to the URL, go to the slide. You can edit and add transition. You can edit duplicates of whatever you selected. Let me just click and show you how you can make a simple banner like this. Just click on the save button. After that, give it to a name that YT and save. After that, you can see that this is created, and just download from here, from whatever you type you want, like JPG, PNG, GIF. I'm downloading PNG as well as JPEG. After that, this is downloaded in your PC. Just click on here and just click on here so that you can change, and just drop this here, and it will be uploading. And here you can see how it look like in desktop, TV and mobile. If it not looks like good, or if you want to edit, after that you can also edit again from just click here edit button, and you can resize whatever you like. And just you have to if you want to auto enhance this, you can click here and click on select. After that, this will save here. Like this you can create your banner with the help of bannersnap.com. I will give link in the description so that you can easily go to the website and click and save this type of banner on your YouTube channel like this. Just be with me, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.